Module 5, Reveal Your Highest and Best. The 7-Minute Life is built on a platform of understanding that time management really begins at the end of the process. As we talk about self-awareness, we'll go through the process of understanding our priorities, our purpose, life goals, creating a timeline for your life, setting 90-day goals, and then and only then can we plan. All of these things begin by taking a thought exercise where you'll download your highest and best worksheet and begin to understand what you love to do at work, understanding your own strengths. And why is this important? Because when we understand the depths of who we are and the goodness that we have, our highest and best in life, it makes our life meaningful. And it's hard to describe meaningful. So what I've done here is from thesaurus.com, I've put down the opposite of meaningful. What makes life meaningless? It's when we're working on things that are insignificant or little or minor. They're unessential. They're trivial. We don't want to do that. We want to live with meaningful work that matters. Even beyond giving you worksheets and tools like this, we also have created highest and best worksheets to help get you started and jumpstart you right from the beginning. So this is the first worksheet, your highest and best, creating that awareness and self-discovery of what you love to do at work. What are your strengths? What should you focus your attention on? What are the things that are high value? Understanding what motivates you, but not stopping there, but also downloading additional worksheets that we've created to give you a broader vocabulary of things that you can actually wrap your arms around and determine, yes, these are the things I'm really good at doing, and this is what makes my work fulfilling.